Alright guys, we have today just a basic center console USB hub from Tesstudio. This is your basic no frills USB hub. Alright, you could buy the fancy ones with the flashing lights and all of that kind of business, but this one just kind of gets the job done. There's not much to it. Here, let me show you. Let's do the install. Now, a lot of them, and this one kind of threw me, fit like up here in this channel. This one does not. This one, you just kind of put it in and you press it down. It's just kind of a press fit. There's like little rubbery sides here that make it grip. And yeah, what's nice is that it's flush here with this surface. And then all we got to do is get in here, plug this sucker in, and we're good to go. We've got some different wattages here. This is your USB-C, which is pretty much ubiquitous now, which thank goodness. Another USB-C outlet, USB-A, and then this, it's another USB-C. I thought this was one of those old Apple connectors. Oh no, that's great. All right, so we've got two USB-C cords coming on here, retractable. Check this out. Whoa. Oh, this thing's pretty long. I don't know, it's got to be like a 30-inch cord or something. That's nice. And yeah, the fact that it retracts is awesome, because otherwise you end up with all kinds of cords laying around like I have in here. But people bring their own cords, you know, obviously. Plug it in here, USB-A, USB-C. Now, this is the mega charger. This is 60 watts. These only provide 15 watts each, and then this is cut in half, 30 watts. You know, you can't provide like super power for everything. There's just not enough power. Always remember that discount code, TeslaMark. It will save you the most amount of money. It works in all the best places. All the links below. Now, I was going to test the charging out with my phone, but I'm having some issues with my port right now, which I can't fix. But I do have this, which is a magnetic charging pad here, and I can plug this in here to see that it works. And it does. Nice. I've checked all of these out. They do work, no problem. They work as advertised. What I like about this is that this goes all the way over it. The other ones that, you know, lock into this channel here have to stop right here. You know, it's kind of personal preference, obviously, but if you like this OEM look when everything's shut down, when everything's closed, this is the one. This is what you want. Yeah, I like it being nice and flush here. It's just less in the way, less flashy. Again, it's all what you're looking for. If you want to buy the ones with all the lights and LEDs flashing all over the place, great, they got you covered. You're looking for something simple, this is the one. This is what you want.